Are you tired of fumbling for business cards? Imagine sharing your digital business card with just a glance at your wrist. Introducing Blinq, the world's top-rated digital business card app. With our free Apple Watch integration, sharing your contact details has never been easier. Your digital business cards are always accessible on your Apple Watch. Impress contacts effortlessly while growing your professional network. Recipients don't need the Blinq app to receive your card, making it super easy for everyone. Getting started is simple. Download the Blinq app, follow our onboarding process, and create your first digital card. Don't forget to install the Apple Watch app for seamless pairing. Watch our tutorial film for quick setup guidance. Join thousands of users sharing their professional identities every day. What are you waiting for? Create your digital card now with Blinq.